Today I will do the unboxing of OnePlus Nord 2. This phone comes in a very excellent package from the Amazon, and you can see that it is very safe and unbreakable, very nicely packed, and in coming years it seems that this phone will have a tough competition with the iPhone. This is the package. It is a Nord 2 phone. The other accessories that we get with this phone is the one that is a back cover. Back cover is very important because if the phone falls down accidentally, then this back cover is going to protect the phone, and the company has already supplied it with it. This is the Red Cable Club card. You can join the club by scanning that QR code. The other membership card and the details of the phone, how to use, how to get started, the safety information and everything, all booklets are there in the package. You can go through them one by one. This is the last piece of card. The other important is the phone charger, an excellently packed and very beautiful red colored USB cable. This pin is used to insert the SIM card in the phone. This is the complete unboxing of the OnePlus Nord 2 phone. This phone has an excellent wide display and the interface is just like that of iPhone. Very smooth and very lovable. All the complete box details shown at a one glance. Earphones or the headphones are not provided with the phone. Zoom. Haha.